So many of you have asked about how I create my online courses. So I wanted to make this quick video to show you how easy it is in Kajabi. Now, what you're looking at, I have more than one website in Kajabi. Depending on the plan you get, I'm not sure how many different websites you'll have, but I wanted to show you exactly from the beginning, from scratch. So this is a test website that I added. I have nothing in here. I have no students, no people, no products. So nothing has been done ahead of time. If you signed up and started working to build your online course, this is exactly what you'd see. So just keep that in mind. This is a test site, so I can do some demos to show you how to do things in Kajabi. So a course, an online course, is basically a product. You get a certain amount of products with your membership. Yeah, as you can see, this is all brand new. But to create your course, you start by clicking Create a Product. This is what comes up. They have some templates for you. You can start with a blank course. You can use a mini course template that they have here. A drip course is where you release bits of content maybe a week at a time, or every month content is released to your students. They have a drip course set up, which is really great. Membership. Let's just do a basic, simple online course. Get started. I'm just going to call it my test online course and demo of how to use products. I didn't rehearse any of this, so let's see how smoothly it goes. But I really wanted it to be spontaneous, so that those of you who are afraid of the tech side of this can see how easy it is. So here's the back end of Kajabi. They have an outline basically for your online course. We have sections, which are modules, and then posts, which would be like the lesson. You do also have the option of creating subcategories to help you organize. So the first thing that I normally do is customize the template, the theme. You click Customize, and let's click here, pick a theme. These are all included in Kajabi. This is what your course would look like. Now, obviously, you're going to customize it with your own photos and your own colors, but my favorite theme of the moment, or of all time really, the theme that I use most often is Premiere. It is shown here just to give you an idea of how it would look. Again, you're going to customize all of this, but let's just click Get Started. It's installing our theme. It's all done for us. And let's take a quick preview. This is what's already built. So as you can see, the template's there, the outline is there, the modules are already in here. We're going to go in and rename all of this and put our own videos here, but it's all set up for you and you can really adapt it to your needs. We can take this away, and I probably will. We can add photos, change the titles, but this is our basic, it's called a theme. It's the basic layout for our online course. All right, now I'm going to leave that there. We're going to go back to our course. We're going to go to the back end, leave the preview, and let's do a little bit of, do I want to customize first? Let's add some content first. So course introduction is module. Let's rename this. We're going to make it, module 1. What would I have no outline in mind, but we'll call it module 1, and then I will add some videos and text and you'll see what I mean. So module 1 is there. Our first post is already there, and it's easy to add a new post or a new subcategory, but I'm going to go with what they already have. Click Edit. My mind goes to TH. I mean, that's what I always start with in most of my courses, or sounds versus letters. I could upload that video. Let me see what videos I have that can be easily uploaded already in my Dropbox. Oh my. Common word practice. I have this one really easy to get to, so we're going to call it that. So let's just call this post. If I were teaching a speech improvement program or creating a speech improvement online course, I would probably work on I would work on common words. So let's call it Common Words why they are important. Good. I can add lesson notes below here. I'm not going to do that now, but you can add anything you want as far as the lesson notes. We click video, but you have the option of leaving it blank. You could have it be text only. I have a few videos that are text only. It could be just audio, or you could create an assessment. These are quizzes that are built into the system. They can be automatically, you can grade your students automatically and send the results. I'm not going to go into that in this video, but that you do have that option. I'm just going to show you how to create a video lesson. So you click upload, you go into your computer. This can be connected to Dropbox as well. And it uploads. This might take a minute, so I might do a quick edit here so you don't have to wait for my computer to upload it. Depends on the size of the video. It depends on the time of day that the upload speed, but it normally doesn't take too long. I guess I'll leave it so you can see how long it takes. It's going a little slow today. Usually it's a little faster. But after I have uploaded this video, I'm going to click save, and then we'll preview it on the other side. And then I'll show you quickly how to add any kind of support document. You can add PDFs, you can add audio files for your students. It's really easy to do on that back end. Okay, I did a quick edit because it was taking longer than normal. It does sometimes take a little while to upload, but my file has been uploaded. It's now saving. It says your video has been uploaded. Please click save to process. So this will take a couple minutes as well, but as this is happening, I can show you, this is the thumbnail or the little picture that you can use for the video. You can use a custom thumbnail like a JPEG or a photo, whatever file there. If you don't choose one, they will automatically pick one for you from the video. So if you want to customize that, you can. If you want to keep it simple like I do, you can just let them choose for you. These are our lesson notes, and these are our downloads. So we can add anything. We can add PDF files. We can add, what have I got here that I can add? We can add audio files. I have an S+TH. This isn't going to make a lot of sense, but let me just put that up there so you can see how it works. And when you add these files, your students are able to download them, and you can control what content they can access online versus what they can access as well as download. I don't like to have people download my videos for two reasons. They're a lot of work for me to make, and I don't want them to be easily shareable. They're also big files, and it doesn't really make sense to have those be downloadable. But the practice sheets and the audios, those I'm comfortable with. So we click save, and I'm going to go for a preview. There is our video. You can see we renamed it. Right, so we've got the name of our course, test, module 1, common words, why they're important. We haven't renamed these yet. We can delete those or turn them into lessons that we'd actually use in our courses. You can see that my download is here. I'm looking at this as a student, so any student can click that and it will be downloaded to their computer. Here are our lesson notes that, again, we can customize this. We can change this to, I'm just going to put common word practice. Save it. And then when I refresh the preview, you can see that it says what I tell it to say. There are comments. You can disable the comments on each page or you can leave them. That's up to you. You can do that right here. Comments, visible, hidden. You can lock up the comments if you're getting too many. And that's basically it. It's really that simple. This is a lesson, and you'd create each lesson to create your modules. I mean, I definitely recommend having an outline in place before you start uploading things into Kajabi. But one last thing that I am going to show you is the customization as far as the theme. The theme is pretty basic, but we can go in here, click customize. We have lots of options. I'm going to remove this instructor sidebar. I'm going to delete this block because I don't want that there. You could leave it. There are other things you can add to this sidebar. This is all drag and drop. But one thing that's very easy to change, you can change the font. and it shows you, I hate that, but you get the idea. It's not a good one, but you can change the look of your website. So, and this is how the website is done too, or your online courses. It can be changed so easily inside. This photo, this is a hero. You can put a different picture back there. You can change the overlay color to match your brand or your logo. You can put your logo here. Or you can, let's see, I can change it very easily to be text, but you can upload a logo too. I'm just not going to do that right now. And there's my logo. We can change the heading or the header. We can use different menus, but so there is a little bit of a learning curve as far as, what you need to do, but there's so much that you can do. And you'll get better with the design aspect of it. But as far as, and watch how it changes when I reload. But as far as the actual, you see my font changed. We can change the accent color. As far as the actual course creation, it can be done in minutes. So if you're worried about the tech, if the technology aspect is what's keeping you from building an online course, don't let that stop you. Course creation and filming the videos, that takes a little time and a little more effort, but the actual technology with Kajabi is so simple. So if you have questions, let me know. I hope this was helpful. If there are other things that you'd like me to demonstrate inside Kajabi, definitely let me know. And I can make these videos to help you understand the process.